Hi everyone, I'm Julia Walker, a North Carolina estate planning attorney, here to help you understand why it is important to plan for your life and legacy. You can find dozens of different websites to create DIY estate planning documents. The sites may seem enticing, giving you the ability to complete and print out wills, trusts, healthcare directives, and power of attorneys in just a few minutes for a cheap price. I get it. Our lives are fast-paced, and you may think the quick and inexpensive DIY estate plan is a way for you to save some money and finally cross estate planning off of your to-do list. However, DIY estate planning is a bad idea. Why? Well, first, DIY documents use generic forms that don't get down to the true specifics of your family and assets. For example, the generic form will ask, do you have kids? Yes or no. But a comprehensive estate plan asks not only do you have kids, but how many? Are any of them adopted or stepchildren? Are they minors or adults? Are there any special considerations, such as special needs, substance abuse, or money management issues? Does your children have children? And so on. Second, estate planning is a legal matter. The documents created are legal, so without a thorough understanding of how the legal process works upon incapacity or death, you'll likely make some serious mistakes when creating a DIY plan. And those mistakes will likely not be discovered until it's too late. So the loved ones you were trying to protect will be forced to clean up your mess. Trust me, I've seen it, and I've had to tell family members that although the deceased created their own plan, they did not take the proper steps or use the proper language. Just because you create the documents doesn't mean they will actually work as you intended when you need them. Third, creating DIY plans can give you a false sense of security because the sites may lead you to believe that once you've created your estate planning documents, you no longer need to worry about estate planning. But estate planning is not a one and done thing to check off your list. You should review your estate plan every time there's a life change, such as marriage, divorce, births, deaths, accumulation of new assets, or at least review your estate plan every couple of years to ensure what your documents say are still what your wishes are. I can go on, but to keep this video short, my last point will be that estate planning is not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. Even if you think your particular situation is simple, that almost never turns out to be the case. I can tell you there are questions you would not even know to ask if you tried creating your estate plan yourself. A DIY service cannot help you consider all of the potential areas where an issue or conflict may arise, or help you plan ahead in order to avoid it. There are so many potential dangers with DIY plans, and those documents are just a disaster waiting to happen. You've worked so hard for everything you've accumulated, and I know you love your family and friends, so why risk loss of your assets and heartbreak for your loved ones by using DIY online resources? A DIY estate planning document alone is not enough to protect you. There is a whole lot more to your future, your children's future, and your legacy than just a fill-in-the-blank generalized document. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please share with anyone you think needs to hear it. Again, I'm Julia Walker, a North Carolina estate planning attorney, here to help you understand why it is important to plan for your life and legacy. Have a great day.